What's up, dudes? I discovered this pretty decent wheelie spot a couple days ago, so I wanna go practice some wheelies up here. It's pretty fun. And then also, we gotta go shopping. We gotta do some shopping. So, come along, dudes. Come along. Enjoy the video. The spot is brand new. Brand new pavement. It's very good. It's a very nice spot. However, I mean, it's like almost 7 o'clock, so there shouldn't be any construction workers, but it is like kind of a construction site. The brand new road tucked away behind this building. It's pretty sick. It's kind of far away from homes too. However, there are homes around it, kind of like these ones, so you just gotta be a little cautious. Make sure they don't call me in, dudes. I threw my ND16 filter on too. Hopefully it's okay with the sun. For some reason I thought the sun was going to be way lower at 7 o'clock, but it's not. Hopefully it's not too bright. Alright, we got one car behind us, so I'm just going to scout this part out first. Oh, he turned anyways. We're good, dudes. That's new. Some dirty parts. Here it is, dudes. Look at it, brand new. It's probably like the best spot I've ever found to do wheelies on. There's one little section right here, a little tiny like roll, but it's not too bad. It's fine going over it. You just got to know when it's coming. But it's like so level and even. So much fun to do wheelies here. The only hard part is that's a dead end, that's a dead end, and then there's two entrances where I came from and the one to the right. So. Little whoop. Whoop. So much fun. Let's try a knee knocker. I've been getting a little better dropping back on the knee knockers. A little better. Using more of my rear brake. So let's see if we can do a good one. Woo! I always get wobbly though. I dip back and I touch that rear brake and I just get a little bit wobbly. Let's try again. Starting to turn a little bit to the right. Ah! Oh, is that a pheasant? That's a pheasant! Run, little pheasant, run! Let's see. What other stuff can we practice? I really just want to like work on sit downs, to be honest with you. Get better at really slowing them down. Ooh, there's lots of gas leaking out of my tank. Oopsies. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is soaked. My pants and my seat are soaked. Oh, it's all in my butt crack, dudes. Oh. Oh no. It doesn't burn yet, but I know it's gonna burn. Oh no. Oh no. I haven't had that issue yet. I mean, it leaks a little bit sometimes, but not where it like gushes out. We got an old dude up there to the right. He's eyeing us. I don't know if he's scouting us out or if he's just going on a stroll. Oh yeah, starting to burn now. My booty hole's starting to burn. Oh yeah, starting to burn. What was that? Uh-oh. Yeehaw. All right, well, that's actually like kind of painful, so we're gonna start heading back, dudes. Fun little spot though. I'll have to come back here again when my gas tank isn't as full, so it doesn't leak all over my tank and my taint. Ooh, yeah, it burns. Oh, this guy is totally coming. He's totally coming. Ooh, that can't be healthy, can it, dudes? That can't be healthy. Oh. Wow, I didn't think he was gonna actually like burn this bad. Feels like someone's. Oh my gosh. Feels like someone is waxing my booty here. Oh, miss shift. Alright, I think we're okay though. I think we're okay. We're still gonna go to Walmart. That's where we need to go. I'm gonna do some shopping, go to Walmart and get a fishing license. What up, dude? Oh, that's actually bad, dude. Feels like, oh, just like, oh, it's like throbbing. This whole video is just gonna be me moaning and groaning. Pause. Not moaning, groaning. Don't be like that, dudes. It's like someone just rubbing sandpaper on my no-no square. Ooh. Soaked. And then it's weird because it like seeps forward a little bit and it stains my tank brown. Just have brown streaks. Super gross. What up, dude? Alright, if I remember correctly, Walmart is somewhere up here to the right. Yeah, I think it's down this road. We'll see, dudes. We'll see. That's gnarly. I don't know. It's 6:51. I don't know if they like stop selling licenses. What's up, Can-Am man? I think that's a Can-Am. Oh my gosh, I'm in so much discomfort. It's actually crazy. We gotta get that fixed somehow. There's like, I don't think it's an O-ring issue. There's like literally a gap all the way around, and I think gas just leaks from there when I drop back. Maybe I could get an aftermarket like quick release gas cap. I wouldn't have that issue because it replaces like this whole thing. Might have to do that if I'm gonna start wheeling it like that anymore. Holy cow. Hopefully this doesn't have any long-term effects, because I'm gonna get home and like the skin's gonna be gone from my butt. Just gotta walk around. Maybe it'll evaporate. Can't let it soak in. I mean, it's already soaked in, but hopefully it'll evaporate. Alright, dudes. We're at the Walmart. I don't think I have a stop sign. Let's see, where should we park? Where should we park? Where should we park? I'm gonna park over here. Park over here, dudes. Ugh. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll be right back, dudes. We're gonna get a license. Let me get a fishing. Oh. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but for sure. Alright, dudes. Alright, dudes. Got a fishing license. My rear end is feeling a little bit better. That wasn't a pleasant experience though. We gotta get that fixed. You silly gas tank. You silly gas tank, you. Anyways, dudes, thanks for watching. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Felt like it was a long time. The pain really slows down time, I tell you what. Anyways, thanks for watching, dudes. I love you. Check out my other stuff. Later.